Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. John S. in Connecticut. This is your DX959 Custom. There's all of the nitro knobs on there, and yes, I'm through fussing about them. I've said enough. Man, I hate them damn things. Okay, I'll stop. Alright. Like I said, the nitro knobs are installed. And right there is your echo. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Turn that down. Audio. Hello. Hello, audio. Audio. Have some modulation. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm on the ×5 scale. Got a 100 watt slug in there. So we're reading in that middle scale there. The 50 is 500. Audio. A little bit over 400 watts peak. And I've got it set for 60 watts. 60 watts average. Audio test audio. That's what Magnum recommends, 60 watts, so that's what it's set for. You can turn the power down. Just turn the power all the way down. The dead key is about 20. It's loud. About 20 average. Audio. Still way over 400 on peak. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to turn the echo off. On the echo and the volume squelch knobs, see where the lines are? They're 180 degrees out. Couldn't believe that. But the nitro knobs are 180 degrees out from what the knobs on the radio are. In other words, that is off. Your time is all the way down and the echo is off. That's on. Okay. The lines should be on this side and down here, but they're not. They're 180 degrees out. That's just the way they're made. And these are D-type shafts, so I can't turn them around. All of these are knurled, so I was able to line up the marks on those. Okay. Your channel selector, of course, the bushing for it is too big for the ring to slide over, so the ring is floating on the shaft. The knob is keeping it on. Well, it can't come off the shaft because the wire is not long enough, but the shaft spins inside the ring. Okay, it's not up on the bushing like the rest of them. And I really don't understand why they didn't give you a larger ring for the channel selector, but they didn't. That's the one that came with it. Okay, standard features of the radio. Your CSS switch all the way over to the left. The channel selector changes the channel, one channel at a time. In the middle, or to the right, it changes band and channel. I'm sorry, yeah, that's band and channel. Okay, it changes the band is what I meant to say. All right. Okay. And let me flip this thing back to the external antenna. That's your lowest channel. Highest channel. Lowest channel. Highest channel. You can hear there's a lot more south of the border traffic on this one. CB band. free band. Back in the 10-meter code.
Radio and QTH near the Munich airport. Kilo Bravo 8 Mike, Delta Lima 5, Radio Bravo Whiskey.
Okay. I-55 is usually really busy. It might help. Well, no, I got it switched to the. Never mind. Channel 19. It's our channel 9, emergency channel 9.
Igualmente, mi hermanito, Múcaro, saludito por ahí, oye. Saludos, buenas tardes. Para acá, para la isla.
They like to camp out on that channel, I guess, because nobody from the U.S. ever talks on it. It'd be really hard to get assistance on that channel now, wouldn't it? Good Lord. I like how quiet 10 meters is. Okay, the squelch scan. Now you've seen this demonstrated before. You just squelch the radio, okay? And then, depending on which way you want to go, in this case we're going to go up. And when it finds a strong signal, it will stop on it. That one's not very strong, but that's what it does when it stops. Shows you what frequency you stopped on. Now, if you want it to go on, you just simply click the channel selector, one channel, and it will go to the next channel and then keep going, unless, you know, there's something to make it stop. Let's go back down. Oop. Got big fingers. Now when it gets to the bottom, it will roll back over to the top, and vice versa. When it gets to the top, it'll roll back over to the bottom number, the bottom frequency. Okay? I'm going to let it demonstrate that for you. Now see, we just roll back over to 28. And the mic gain, push that button in to turn the amp on and off. There's your indicator. Right now the amp is on. Push this. Kind of hard to do with hold the camera and do that, and you see that the light went out. Okay. All right. I think that about does it. Got good power on both sideband and AM. I think I showed you that already. You just switch back to the dummy load. Hello. Audio hello. That's without the amp. Okay. This is with the amp. Audio hello audio. And that's in the free band. There's the CB band. And I'm on 19A. Audio, hello audio, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test audio. Lots of good forward swing audio. But what I would recommend you do is turn your RF power down to about 9 o'clock, I think it was. Yeah. About 9 o'clock gives you a little bit over 40 watts. Audio, hello audio. Okay, or you could even turn it all the way down. The dead key's 20 watts, turned all the way down. Audio. You get better swing out of it with it turned all the way down. And I'm talking on a stock microphone. Okay. The best mic for this radio is a CR577, if they ever get any more. They're in pretty short supply. But there it is. Okay. I'll get her boxed up and shipped out. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. 73s. Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Dave S. in Connecticut. Here's your 959. I wanted to show you what I did with the nitro rings. You can see I added the heat shrink on the wires where they went through the holes. Turn down all these other radios. Okay, and then put a little hot glue on there to keep them from coming out. You can see the heat shrink around the controls right there. Okay, let me flip it on. There's the power. Even the channel selector has one. Okay. And there's the 47 ohm half watt protection diode. This wire here is ground. It goes to ground, and this is for the nitro rings. And I gotta tell you, I hate these damn things. Had the radio all put back together, and wound up taking it apart again because this one, the one right here in the middle, had one LED out. They all have three, but it had one out. So when you put the knob on there, only 2/3 of the knob was real bright. So had to take the radio back apart again. Like I said, I hate these damn things. But anyway, I'll slap her back together and show it to you all lit up. I'll be back. Okay, we're back working on the 959 John S. in Connecticut. Here's your nitro knobs. You can see I even got the dual set for the Echo. What a pain in the ass. Note to self, if anybody else wants these done, $150. I hate them. After I got them all put back together, got the face all put together, got the bad one replaced. When I put this set of knobs on, it touched or made the ring touch something or whatever and shorted out the whole thing. None of them would work. I had to isolate that problem and put a little bit of hot glue on the front of it because it was touching the back of the faceplate, and that's all chrome, and when you put the screws in the side here then it just shorted it out. So I put some hot glue over that spot so it can't touch anymore, and I did that for all the rest of them so they can't touch. So anyway, there they are. Okay, I wanted to show you the inside of the radio. There it is. This bundle of blue and black wires that you see going down towards the top part, that's for the nitro knobs. There's all the cabling all tied up. There's your TRBX3 Echo board. Okay, I did the filter upgrade. You now have a 15 kilohertz wide 10.7 filter. Added the second final. Okay, so you now have a FET driver and 2 FETs for finals. I set the bias on all of them correctly, and on this one I flipped the wires towards the back again, because when I tried to do them towards the front, they kept wanting to get in the way of the Echo board. So by turning them back that way, they should fall in this area right in here when I put the cover on there. Okay, you can see it's awful crowded back there. Alright, right there is your 10 amp protection diode right down here. 4700 microfarad 25 volt filter cap for the input, and 4700 microfarad 25 volt filter cap for the voltage regulator. And I think I've told you guys before, Galaxy upgraded the voltage regulator, the AM regulator, all that stuff's been upgraded, so there's no need to do it, and all the new ones come with the shotkeys already in them. I did upgrade the receiver, did the broadbanding on it, and lowered the noise floor. Okay, and I think there's your LC5304. Got the latest software on it. I think that's all I need to show you inside the radio. Alright, I'm going to put the covers on it and fire it up. I'll be back. Okay, John S. in Connecticut. Here's your DX959, complete with nitro knobs. I hate these things, folks. So if you want me to install a set for you, it's going to cost you. There's your amp on-off switch. Okay. And let me get it all hooked up to the big power supply and everything, and I'll show you what it's doing on the meters. I'll be right back. Okay, John S. in Connecticut. I'm back in this damn thing again. One of the nitro knob LEDs is shorted out again. God almighty. I determined it to be the one going to this knob here, which is your RF power knob. So I got to take the damn knobs off, pull the fucking faceplate off again, and get in there and find out why this son of a bitch is shorted out. All right, I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I mean, damn, I got the heat shrink going through the hole. To insulate it, I've got some hot glue over the connections where the wire comes through. What the hell? Why is this son of a bitch shorting out? I tell you, I should have took you up on your offer to not do the nitro knobs and went ahead and pulled them other damn things out. But we went this far. No way in hell I'm going to send it to you with it shorted out. Now see, I got the faceplate off of it. With the faceplate off, it's not shorted. But I can't put anything over the front of them. There's the RF power hole right there. What the hell is it touching? I don't see anything that it can touch. Just not enough room in these damn radios for all of this. I'm pressing this all around, and I got nothing, no indication. Yeah, the meter's working. What the hell? See, I can't put anything on the front of it to insulate it from the faceplate, because if I do that, you won't be able to see the damn things. I don't want to wallow that out. God almighty, this is so frustrating. Just got to be shorting out on that damn faceplate. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, I found it. When you put the faceplate on, it's pushing this ring against the mounting nut on the radio. And see that little bit of exposed wire right there? You can see where it's been pushing against the nut. And that's what's been shorting out. So I'll have to check all the rest of them, make sure the rest of them don't have any of the wire exposed. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, John, got the face all bolted back on, and got the meter hooked up, no shorts. Touch these two together, make sure my meter is working, and it is. Okay. Alright. I'm going to dress the wires and hook them back up again. I'll be back.